How to make images move on CapCut PC. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily make images move on CapCut PC. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open it up and click on Create Project. Now once you tap on it, it's going to completely open up your editing interface. Now you can click on this option right here on the left side to upload your picture that you want to move. So let me just go ahead and go to my Pictures tab, and then I'll just go ahead and upload this picture right here. Alright, so once you have the picture, hover your mouse over the picture, you'll find the plus icon, or you could just drag it down to your timeline. I'll just add it to my timeline like this. And let's make the picture around 6 seconds long. Alright, so here I've got this 6 seconds of picture. So there is nothing there, it's just a picture. So if I want to start moving the picture right off the bat, I can do this by clicking on the picture, and you'll find this scale option at the top right, scale and position option. So you can just click on this keyframe, add a keyframe here, start playing, and let's say right around this 1.24 mark, I want to move the picture. So what I can do is scale it out a bit. And what it's going to do is it's going to automatically add a keyframe. Let's say if I want to move it to the top left corner of the screen, I can do that as well. Now I can just play again. And right around this mark, I want it to zoom in a bit. And then I want to move it to the right side of the screen, something like this around here. It's going to automatically add keyframe right here. So once that is done, you can just play again. And if you want to revert it back to original, you can just increase the scale to 100% and move the image right on the center like this. So that's basically it, guys. As you can see here, the image is now moving. So let me just go ahead and play it from the start. So here I can just play it, and as you can see, the image is moving. Now it's moving on the other side as well. Now if you want to move it to the other side of the picture, you can add a keyframe on the position scale, and then from there you could just play it. Let's say if you want to move it here, another keyframe will be added. If you want to move it here, another keyframe will be added. So if I just play it from here, it's going to move to the top left, then right, and then come back to the original position. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.